In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share appointment schedules in Google Calendar. Sharing your schedule can be incredibly useful for coordinating meetings or letting others know when you're available without the back and forth emails. One of the most efficient ways to do this in Google Calendar is by using appointment slots and sharing your calendar directly. First, let's delve into how to set up appointment slots. Start by opening Google Calendar on your desktop browser. It's important to use a desktop view because some of these features might not be available on mobile. Once you're there, click on Create and then select Appointment Slots. This is essentially creating a block of time that you can subdivide into smaller appointment slots. Set the details such as the title, date, and time. You should also decide on the slot duration. A common choice is 30-minute slots, but adjust according to your needs. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save your slots. Now that you've set up your appointment slots, you need to share them so others can book times with you. To do this, click on your appointment slot within the calendar. You'll see an option to go to appointment page for this calendar. Click that, and you'll be taken to a new page. Find and copy the URL from the address bar and share this link with whoever you need, be it clients, colleagues, or students. Once shared, people can visit this page and pick an available slot that fits their schedule. The best part? Once someone books a slot, it automatically updates your calendar. No additional steps required. If your goal is to make your calendar visible to others without specifically allowing them to book slots, you can choose to share your calendar. Begin by opening Google Calendar. Look for the list of calendars on the left under My Calendars. Next to your calendar, click the three dots to open more options, then select Settings and Sharing. Here, scroll down to Share with Specific People. You can add the email addresses of the individuals you want to share your calendar with. After adding them, decide on the level of access they should have. If you want them to see when you're available without the details, select See Only Free, Busy. If you're okay with them seeing the details of your events, choose See All Event Details. Once everything is set to your liking, click Send to grant them access. Sharing appointment schedules via Google Calendar not only keeps you organized, but also simplifies the process for those needing to coordinate with you. Whether you're managing a team, a class schedule, or just trying to keep personal appointments straight, these tools will help you maintain a well-balanced schedule effortlessly. Enjoy the flexibility and ease of using Google Calendar for all your scheduling needs.